Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ring messages and notifications, and just to unmute ringtones we should hold and swipe to the right side this white dot. Also we can make it just by another way. Just first here in the volume button control we should switch media to ringtone, and after that just by press to the up volume button we can also unmute our ringtone. And we can make it by the third way. Just press up or down volume button and then slide to the up with your finger this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.